Jah light the way. Yeah. Chalice rising at the early morning breeze. Purification time. Me step in a the circle, I clean mind come. Chalice in a me hand like a ancient psalm. Light up the fire, feed the spirit elevation. Burn out the ego, burn out the wicked vibration. Draw the first pull, make the darkness flee. Negativity run away when the herb set free. Is a ritual sacred, a covenant true. Only purity live when the smoke pass through. Chalice purification, wash me soul with the flame. Burn out illusion, burn out the ego name. I am meditation, Jah love me foundation. Chalice rise up, bring I man salvation. See this steam rise slow like a prayer to the sky. Calling Panja blessings for the eye man eye. No vanity can enter when the ritual start. Is a cleansing of spirit, a purify heart. Me chant Rasta live as the fire keep glow. Sweep out the envy and the pain we know. Each draw is a step to a higher vibration. A Rasta groundation, true liberation. Chalice purification, wash me soul with the flame. Burn out illusion, burn out the ego name. I am meditation, Jah love me foundation. Chalice rise up, bring I man salvation. Rooted to the ground when the herbs ignite. My spirit ignite. Rasta vision come clearing at the morning light. So me puff and me pass in a unity strong. Is a family vibe when the reasoning long. With the chalice as witness we confess we pain. Then the smoke carry both joy and strength. Rasta say balance, cleanse up the inner core. When the ego drop off, love open more. This sacred moment, no man can fake. Chalice wash clean, fit the new day break. Chalice purification, wash me soul with the flame. Burn out illusion, burn out the ego name. I am meditation, Jah love me foundation. Chalice rise up, bring a man salvation. With the fire in my soul, stand up for righteousness, that a Rasta man role. Babylon can't twist my mind, nor them words can deceive. True meditation, deep Jah truth is what me receive. Me light up the chalice with the higher meditation. Sacred plan, lift the spirit like divine revelation. Every breath when me draw, break chain, break pain. Open up my heart so the love flow again. Rasta defend the truth with love and herb. Stand firm on the word, never bow, never swerve. Justice in our step, peace in our nerve. Jah light a guide we path as we chant down the curse. Them a push corruption, them a push fear upon the land. But one thing Babylon can do, them can't see a Rasta stand. Come roots deep, like the ancient Irie. Truth in my veins, love run naturally. When the world get cool, Rastafari still warm. Nature heal the heart like a shelter in a storm. Sacred herb in my palm, me give thanks every day for the wisdom and the healing. Jah planting and the clay. Rasta defend the truth with love and herb. Stand firm on the word, never bow, never swerve. Justice in our step, peace in our nerve. Jah light a guide we path as we chant down the curse. Rasta defend the truth with love and herb. Stand firm on the word, never bow, never swerve. Just our nerve. Jah light a guide we path as we chant down the curse. Rise up. Yeah, no. We're meditation higher. Meditation higher. Lift my spirit to the sky. Love of me shield and truth of my sword. Selassie I, me see the youths them rising, seeking light to lead the way. So me chant the holy message, love is the only way. Ganja bring the clarity, bring the mind in a peace, like a river of redemption where the worries all cease. So me share the vibrations like a drum in a night, calling on humanity for stepping on the light. Truth stand tall like Zion, mountain above. I'ma defend it with courage, justice and love. Rasta defend the truth with love and herb. Stand firm on the word, never bow, never swerve. Justice in our step, peace in our nerve. Jah light a guide we path as we chant down the curse. Rise up Rasta, love stronger than any weapon, truth brighter than the sun. Holy herb keep the meditation one. Selassie I live, one love, one aim, one destiny. One love, one aim, one destiny.
Jah light, guidance in the rhythm. Heal the nation, yeah. Roots and culture, yeah. Oh, yeah. The youth them lost in a Babylon maze. Too much illusion, the system ablaze. Them heart full of stress, mind full of fear. But Jah create a healing way always then near. Natural medicine from the holy land, growing at the sun, blessed by Jah hand. When the youth them inhale, them spirit elevates. The truth clear when the vibes resonate. Healing earth, light the youth them way, shining through the darkness every single day. In a Babylon confusion where I lead them astray. Jah plan rise up, guide them on the righteous way. Society a pressure, them push and them lie. Them paint the herb wicked, but just say otherwise. Wisdom in all the leaves, knowledge in all the scent. Open up the mind like a message just sent. You them feel the calm when the herbal breeze blow. Find deeper purpose in the life where them know. No more illusion, no more Babylon chain. Herb show the path straight through the pain. Healing herb, like the youth them way, shining through the darkness every single day. In a Babylon confusion where I lead them astray. Jah plan rise up, guide them on the righteous way. Fire burn confusion, fire burn corruption. Rasta chant wisdom, divine instruction. Herb is the symbol of peace and creation. Lift up the youth with righteous vibration. Them say the future belong to the youth, so make them know the healing herb truth. No fi run to violence, no fi run to war. Run to the plant where show who we are. It cleanse the mind, reconnect to the source. Tune up the soul, set a righteous course. In a Babylon
Yes, I we give thanks and praise for the holy herb where Jah create. Herb and no drug, man and nature it spring. Growing on the hills with the bird them a sing. Sunlight kiss it, rainfall bless it. Jah hand touch the leaf, you feel the essence. From ancient time, Rasta man know the way. Herb open up the mind, chase the stress far away. Is a sacrament, no Babylon prescription. Pure meditation, Jah message transmission. Herb of Jah creation, lift me soul in a higher vibration. Not a drug but a holy foundation. Natural blessing for the whole nation. Oh, Jah creation. Babylon call it wrong, but them can't stop the truth. Herb calm the warrior, bring peace to the youth. When the chalice blaze, me spirit get free. Me hear the heartbeat of the tall cedar tree. Heal the earth, ease the pain, bring clarity. Herb connect the eye with the Almighty. Roots and culture, sacred tradition. One puff bring wisdom and in a verb of Jah creation. Lift me soul in a higher vibration. Not a drug but a holy foundation. Natural blessing for the whole nation. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Burn it with respect, burn it with prayer. Call upon the Most High, Jah always there. Herb open gates where the wicked can't enter. Keep the mind clean and the spirit centered. From Zion breeze to the river bankside, herb grows strong, stand firm with pride. Every leaf, every bud tell Jah story. A natural pathway fi feel Jah glory. So pass the chalice, make the healing rise. Purify the heart and open up the eyes. We chant down fear, chant up creation. Give thanks for the herb, Jah's inspiration. Herb of Jah creation, lift me soul in a higher vibration. Not a drug but a holy foundation. Natural blessing for the whole nation. Herb of Jah, 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 herb of Jah nation.
Pass the chalice, make the spirit rise in a the cool meditation. Me see truth in a me eyes. Herb cool down the heartbeat, slow down the time. Heal up my soul, ease the weight off my mind. When the smoke starts circle, the pathway clear. Feel your presence whisper me there, ya no fear. In a the green mist, revelation come. Light of creation, beat like a drum. Herb open up Jah vision. Calm down the mind and tune the soul for prayer. High meditation bring the higher realm near. Jah light shine bright, make the darkness fade away. Herb is a blessing, ancient and wise. Give from the earth where the wicked them despise. But Rasta man know, said the plan divine. Gateway to the spirit and the deeper sign. Sit on the hillside, breeze kiss me dread. One puff carry wisdom where the prophet them spread. Sight beyond the mountain, beyond the sky. with me in her eye. Herb open up Jah vision, yeah. Calm down the mind and tune the soul for prayer. I meditation bring the higher realm near. Jah light shine bright, make the darkness fade away. Take a Jah for the healing, for the balance and peace, for the wickedness in all the world for cease. Herb lift my spirit like a bird in the air, carry me straight to Jah throne up there. In all the stillness, Jah message flow, teach me the things where only elders know. Herb open doorway to the mystic zone, make me reason with the king upon his holy throne. Me no born for hype, me no born for show. Is the meditation make the consciousness grow? Spiritual vision like a river run, and me heart stay blessed by the Most High Son. Herb open up Jah vision, herb down the mind and tune the soul for prayer. High meditation bring the higher realm near. Jah light shine bright, make the darkness fade away. Jah light shine bright, guide my night and day. Jah light shine bright, guide my night and day.
Early in the morning, when the sun just rise, me sit on the hilltop, open up my eyes, bless up the herbs where Jah grow for the healing. Reading the truth, feel the spirit revealing. Me say Jah guide my steps, lead me in a meditation. Heart pure, mind clean, steady in a concentration. When the smoke lift high like a incense flame, me hear Jah whisper softly, calling out my name. Priest at the mystic herb Jah, yeah. Send up the prayer, make the heart beat strong. Priest at the mystic herb Jah, oh yeah. For the meditation, me receive Jah's song. Priest at the mystic herb Jah, Rasta man stand firm. Hold the fire, hold the wisdom of the holy earth, yeah. The ancients talk to me through the wind that blow. Truth in all the rhythm and the roots that grow. Every puff of the chalice bring vision and light, guiding me steps through the darkness of night. Me chant for the youth, them lost in all the system. Me chant for the elders, Jah blessings upon them. For every little soul where I fight to survive, Jah message come down, keep the spirit alive. Chris at the mystic herb Jah, yeah. Lift up the soul, shake off the wrong. Priest of the mystic herb Jah, oh Rastafari. Through the meditation, me hear just strong. Priest of the mystic herb Jah, hold firm, hold firm. Carry the truth like a ancient psalm. Rasta child, open the gateway, let your wisdom rise. Fire of the earth, purify the mind. Now the moonlight falls off on the lion's paw. Me chant for protection, for chase out rot. With the herb as me sacrament, me elevate clean. Between earth and heaven, me walking on the dream. Me say Jah, give I strength for guiding
meditation. Chant down oppression with pure vibration. From the roots to the crown, me a hold your line. Dismiss the meditation, timeless like time. Priest of the mystic herb chant, yeah. Rise up the spirit, keep the fire strong. Priest of the mystic herb chant, holy man of Zion. To the meditation, me receive Jah song. Priest of the mystic herb chant, Rasta man stand firm. God the wisdom of the holy herb. Yeah. Uplift your spirit, happy guide with mine. Respect the herb, it's a gift from the Most High. Light it up, me brethren, light it up slow. One love, one heart, make the good vibes grow. No abuse the herb, only wisdom fi show. Mindful and respectful, let the spirit flow. When you puff the ganja, take it easy, my friend. It not fi foolishness, it not fi pretend. It bring the meditation, it bring the peace. Help your soul rise up, let the trouble cease. Jah bless the green leaf, it a natural cure. Feed the body, feed the mind, feed the spirit pure. No overdo, now make it take control. Use it in a guidance, make it strengthen your soul. Light it up, me brethren, light it up slow. One love, one heart, make the good vibes grow. No abuse the herb, only wisdom fi show. Mindful and respectful, let the spirit flow. Respect the elders, respect the land. Never take more than your hand can handle. Every puff a prayer, every smoke a chant. Connect with the Most High, make the spirit grand. Me see the youths, them rush, them not know the way. Ganja fi uplifts, no fi cause decay. Meditate, contemplate, let the rhythm guide. Jah love in a heart, let the herb provide. Light it up, me brethren, light it up slow. One love, one heart, make the good vibes grow. No abuse the herb, only wisdom fi show. Mindful and respectful, let the spirit flow. Consciousness, me see clear. No rush, no stress, keep Jah presence near. Every leaf a blessing, every spark a light. Keep your mind elevated through the day and night. So light it up, me brethren, light it up slow. Keep the heart pure, make the positive grow. One love for y'all, let the herb guide your way. Uplift your spirit every single day. Roots and vines whisper truth in the sound. Herb in my palm, sacred gift from the land. Lift up my spirit, bring strength to the man. Every breeze will blow, carry message from Jah. Tell me say life deeper than the things where we want. Ganja smoke circle
watch your blessings grow. Some kiss the leaves, river water them flow. When me light it up, is a prayer me send. Give thanks for the healing where Jah recommend. In a Babylon stress, pressure mash up the brain, but the herb hold the key for ease the pain. One jar, two jar, consciousness climb. Meditation open up timeless time. Ganja smoke, natural breath of life flow through my body, wash away the strife. In the herb, Jah heartbeat beat true. Earth talk to me, me talk back to. Ganja smoke, the rhythm of the ground, rise to the sky with a holy sound. Whisper, child stay strong. Herb carry wisdom like an ancient song. No chemical vibe, no Babylon light, just pure creation rising to the sky. When the world get dark and the spirit get cold, ganja flame warm up the courage in the soul. Every puff a reminder, say my born fi be free. Natural connection between Jah and me. So much chant for the herb, for the peace it bring, for the unity, the healing, the life force thing. From the mountainside, straight to my lungs. Ganja keep the people them strong. Ganja smoke, natural breath of life, flow through my body, wash away the strife. In the herb, Jah heartbeat beat true. Earth talk to me, me talk back to. Ganja smoke, the rhythm of the ground, rise to the sky with a holy sound. Ganja smoke, breath of the earth we share. Link up humanity with love and care. Still a spin round and round. But the green little leaf from the most high Jah open up the spirit like a shining star. Ease the memory where I burn like fire, cool the sorrow when the heart get tired. Herb heal the heart, ease the pain, wash away the trauma like blessing rain. From deep in Zion, just send the cure. Natural medicine, holy and pure. Herb heal the heart, lift up the soul, bring back the light where the darkness stole. If you feel broken, just take one drop. Jah plant help soothe every wound and scar. Some man walk with a shadow on them mind, carry things from long time where them can't unwind. But when the chalice start bubble and the spirit feel free, you reconnect with yourself, your identity. It a open the gate where you lock up tight, bring comfort in the lonely night. Meditation rise like morning sun and remind you say the battle soon done. Herb heal the heart, ease the pain, wash away the drama like blessing rain. From Zion, just send the cure. Natural medicine, holy and pure.
show the way through the healing leaf where we bless each day. So raise up your spirit, now carry the shame. Jah love, Jah earth, ease every pain. To the youths and the elders, remember this part. Jah create the earth to heal the heart.
Yeah, man. From the prophets of old to the Rasta youth of today, ganja carry the message same way. Fire burn bright like truth in the heart. Ganja are the sacred incense of the ancients, carry through the lineage holy vibrations. From Isaiah vision to the Rasta meditation, burn it for wisdom, guidance, elevation. Me say the elders them chanting a Zion breeze. Ganja smoke rise gentle through the almond trees. I know just herb at the bridge twin time. Link with to the prophecy, the mystic design. Hear Solomon words echo deep in the drum. Truth of a blaze anytime Babylon come. Rasta light the spliff like a torch of remembrance. Connect the present moment to Jah ancient essence. Long before the world judge we for the herb in our hand, the prophets burn the same fire across the holy land. So me not bow down to no man regulation. Herb is creation, pure inspiration. Ganja are the sacred incense of the ancients, carry through the lineage holy vibrations. From Isaiah vision to the Rasta meditation, burn it for wisdom, guidance, elevation. Smoke rise like prayer. Ganja tune the soul, make the spirit get clear. When Rasta side truth at the herb open door, show we that the same light shine from before. Mali speak it bold, I listen Lassie guide the way. One puff bring the meditation higher every day. A healing for the nation, not a crime, not a sin. Pure like the heartbeat, natural from within. Bless up the healer herb, Jah give to creation. Pass down like a scripture through every generation. Open up the eye, third eye, wash off corruption. Show man say love stronger than destruction. Hey, ganja are the sacred incense of the ancients, carry through the lineage holy vibrations. From Isaiah vision to the Rasta meditation, burn it for wisdom, guidance, elevation. So when the smoke rise, remember the lineage long. From the prophets of old, straight to Rasta song.